Welcome to part 6 of our drone maintenance series. Drones can hover steadily and fly with precision because numerous internal sensors calculate data in real time. Latest models like the DJI Mini 4 Pro, Air 3S, and Mavic 3 Pro feature obstacle avoidance vision sensors, as well as multi-satellite positioning systems, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. As performance improves, sensor precision becomes even more critical. Any data error can lead to a loss of control or even a flyaway crash. At the heart of this system are two key sensors, the IMU and the compass. The IMU integrates a gyroscope, accelerometer, and barometer to detect tilt, speed, and altitude, maintaining level flight. The compass reads Earth's magnetic field to determine which direction the drone is facing. While recent models feature dual IMUs and dual compasses for redundancy, strong magnetic interference or physical impacts can still introduce errors, making regular checks essential. What symptoms appear when these sensors malfunction? First, if the drone shakes uncontrollably right after takeoff, an IMU calibration error is highly likely. You should land immediately. Second, if the drone circles uncontrollably in mid-air, often called the toilet bowl effect, there is a compass magnetic error. This poses a high crash risk, so switch to manual mode and land as soon as possible. Third, if the drone drifts in one direction when there is no wind, accumulated IMU error or a barometer issue is likely, and the sensors need recalibration. Fourth, if the drone flies off in the wrong direction when you press return to home, a compass error occurred when saving the home point, which requires extreme caution. Finally, if a sensor warning pops up in the app, the data deviation has exceeded safe limits and calibration is mandatory. So, when should you calibrate your sensors? You should always calibrate when you travel more than 30 miles or 50 kilometers from your last flight location, after flying near steel structures or high voltage lines, before moving to a new spot, right after a firmware update, or after any physical impact. Let's go through IMU calibration step by step. Step 1. Place your drone on a completely flat, level surface with zero vibration. Step 2. Open the DJI Fly app. Go to Settings. Then Safety. Select Sensor State, and tap Calibrate IMU. Step 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to rotate the drone onto its front, back, left, right, top, and bottom sides. Step 4. Wait about 3 to 5 minutes until the progress bar reaches 100%. Do not touch the drone or turn off the power during this process. Next, let's cover compass calibration. When calibrating the compass, avoid reinforced concrete, parked cars, or large metal structures. Choose an open outdoor area like grass or dirt. Make sure you aren't wearing a smartwatch or holding a heavy ring of keys, as metal items can cause errors. Calibration is simple. Hold the drone horizontally and rotate 360 degrees until the light turns green in the app. Then hold it vertically with the camera pointing at the ground and rotate 360 degrees again. Finally, let's run through your pre-flight sensor checklist. Under Settings, Safety, and Sensor State in the app, verify that both the IMU and compass icons display normal. Check the top right of the screen to ensure you have at least 12 satellite connections locked. Lastly, visually inspect the vision sensors on the bottom, front, and rear of the aircraft to ensure they are clean. The IMU and compass act as the eyes and ears of your drone. Calibrating the compass when changing locations and inspecting the IMU on a flat surface are small habits that keep your drone safe. In our next video, part 7 of the drone maintenance series, we'll cover cleaning procedures and long-term storage guidelines. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next flight.